it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy, and today I've got a really cool tutorial for you. It's more towards the sport karate aspect of the academy, but this is teaching you how to do the L kick. Now the L kick comes from capoeira, which is a Brazilian style of martial arts, and we incorporate that kick quite a lot within our musical and creative forms. So I'm going to break this one down as best I can. Bearing in mind it's super hard to break down, but I'm going to give you some tips and ways in which you can help develop your L kick. So first off, you normally do this L kick on the side in which you cartwheel. So for example, I would cartwheel here with right hand down first. So therefore, I normally do this kick on my right hand. Play around with it, you might find more comfortable on your left, and just get a feel for the rhythm of the way in which you would like to go. A little exercise I want us to start off with is to just go down towards one side and bring the back leg off the floor. So we're coming here and up, okay? Good. Perfect. And that's getting us used to going down on that one side. Step number 2, a drill I want you to practice, is putting 2 hands down as if you're going into the cartwheel, and then just bringing your legs into like a tucked position. So from here, we're going to go down with the 2 hands and then come back up. Okay, so it's as if I'm doing my cartwheel, but I then retract and come back down. You know what's coming next. So same drill, same exercise with one hand. Now this will be the hand in which that we're going to place down to do our L kick. Backhand can be in a chamber position or up here on guard, entirely up to you. Have a play around and find your balance. If you've not perfected the 2 hands yet, let's not jump straight to the one hand just yet. Perfect. So, next step is to bring the front leg round. Now this kick is almost like a turning kick here, and it swings in front of the body and then retracts back down. Opposite leg goes up. So if my left hand and right hand mimic my legs, this is what's going to happen. The left leg comes across the body, right leg goes up straight. So we're making that L shape with our legs. From camera's perspective, we're making that L shape here with our legs. I'll just show you one at full speed so you understand what I mean with the legs. Okay, so left leg wants to come across the body into this horizontal position, right leg comes up. And that's how we get that L shape with our legs. Have a play around, really practice those individual steps before you get to executing the kick itself. One tip for if you are executing the kick and you're struggling to get that retract back, you must use that front leg and your hips. So for example, when I'm here and I'm up, I send my hips back and my leg comes down, and then I retract everything, hips forward, leg back. Because otherwise, I see a lot of people do this. And then they carry on through. So when you're in that position, get that retract, send the hips forward and that front leg back, and you'll be absolutely fine. Another tip I want to give you for this and a variation of the L kick is what we call a swing through version. So the previous one, I'm in my stance and I just go down into it. This one, I'm in my stance, I'm going to step my right leg back, then swing up into it. And it's just a nice way of getting into this kick if you're doing a form. So I could be here, I can then swing back and into it like so. It just gives that added momentum, but also it looks cool in your musical forms. There you have it, some tips on mastering your L kick, and I hope that you've really learned some drills to go step by step into the L kick that you see in our musical forms.